Actually, let me get the zoom. Yeah, that one's fine for sure.
Where's it at, Tanner?
It is. So from the home, let's see here. There's our home. It's just right here.
Okay, up on top of the hill.
Yep.
Where's this other one at?
It is through your gate down here. Let's see.
Yeah, I thought it was should be about right in there. I heard it fall, but it could have got up here too.
So you can see, we go through your gate, going up to the pond. It's right over here. Let me see this. Yeah, that's the only one I see.
Okay. So how far in the woods is it?
Not too far. Let's see it.
Okay, yep. The road.
Yep, so right past here.
So I probably should just take the 4-wheeler up there.
Sure. I can help you real quick.
And the guy's on his way.